Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking in a small, balanced team and getting everyone to the same island. Once done, confirm levels, fruit sets, and key consumables, make quick roll assignments, tank, damage, and support. You then pick a spawn point and a rally time and form a voice channel so you can shout short, clear calls. Make sure to equip fast travel options and create a fallback extraction plan. This pushes you into the first active phase without wasting time on idle setup. Once engaged, you position players around the boss to limit area damage and cover flanks. You should call out stun windows and chain fruit combos so burst DPS hits during vulnerability frames while the tank holds aggro. Make sure the support times heals and revives in short, decisive bursts. A single wasted revive wastes momentum. Keep communicating boss phase changes and cooldowns, and adapt rotations if adds spawn. This keeps pressure constant and prevents teams from getting caught off guard. You finish fights by delegating one player to secure loot and immediately announcing rare drops, then apply your pre-agreed distribution rules. Once done, extract to a safe island, check inventories, deposit valuables, and restock healing and revival items. If things go wrong, like wipes or a lost rare, stop and diagnose. Was positioning, timing, or fruit choice the issue? Make one focus change, adjust roles or loadouts, and then reattempt with the same coordinated approach to improve success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.